Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about parameters. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing I will consider about this one. I will put S go to the right. And now I will consider about this one. So we want to find the solution of t with in terms of s. So we have the formula in here. That is about delta equals to b squared minus 4ac. So b that is about number 1 in here. 8 that is about number 1 in here. C that is about negative s. So we simplify and we have like this. Now we have the formula to find the solutions in here. That is about t equals to negative b, negative the square root of delta over 2/8, and the second one that is about the positive in here. So we put about number 1 go in here. 8 that is about number 1, delta that is about this one. Now we can do similar for the second one. After we got this one, I will go in here and then I select about this one, go in here, and this one go in here. So we need to simplify this one, and we have like this. So if we put s go back in here, so we want to trial, so we will have like this. So this one that is about 40 squared plus 40. And we know that this is about identities. And this one that is about the absolute value because we have the formula in here. So in this situation, we want to create about y equal to t squared minus t. So this one should be about negative because number 1 cancel number 1, t minus 2t. So in this one, there should be about negative in here. So on the second one, if we do the same technique, so I will put this one go in here. And if we simplify it, and we have y equals to s minus the square root of 1 1 plus 4s plus 1. So if we do the same technique in this way, this one should be about positive because we have the negative sign in here. So if we combine this one and this one, we got the final answer. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.